But I bought a coconut, bought it for the time. My sister had another one, she paid it for the lime. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them full up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them up. She put the lime in the coconut.
Right, so 2018 wasn't the best year for, well, any of us. And then 2019 came, and January was the longest year in the entire history of existence. Thank you, I made it. Now let's get something clear. I don't particularly hate Valentine's Day. I just think that that date there is an absolute waste of money because it's such a money-making racket. And I mean, it would be more impressive if you can cook for your girlfriend at home. So there's that.
But gourmet guy, I hear you say, how can you say the one day of the year that you get to show your wife or your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or whoever you're into, that you love them?
You think you need only one day to show her that you love her? I think your relationship is doomed for failure, okay? So that's why today I am dedicating the 14th of February, not to Valentine's Day, but I will be showing you how to make the most awesome chicken dish inside of a pizza oven. But what if you can't cook? What if she doesn't like it? What if you are skinny and she wants a strong man? That makes absolutely no sense. But like my friend from Russia, Yuri, always asks, but what if I cannot be a good chef to my wife? Then fret not. If you are in Victoria or in Johannesburg, you can simply go online, www.gourmetguy.co.za, and you can order it. But first, let's talk starch. What is black rice? Despite being less popular than brown rice or wild rice, black rice, also known as forbidden rice or emperor's rice, is an ancient grain that has even more impressive health benefits than many other rice varieties. Not only is it the type of rice that is richest in powerful disease-fighting antioxidants, but it also contains dietary fiber, anti-inflammatory properties, and has the ability to stop development of diabetes, cancer, heart disease, and even weight gain. Black rice has been eaten in regions of Asia for thousands of years. In fact, for centuries it was reserved for only Chinese royalty. Today this type of rice is picking up popularity and popping up in more health food stores across the United States, Australia and Europe as people discover the numerous health benefits that this whole grain rice has to offer. So as you can see, this rice actually has quite a few benefits. So this wood-fired chicken dish we're going to make is going to go excellent with the black rice. So what it is a chicken breast we're going to stuff with sun-dried tomato and feta, and then we're going to marinate it in orange, honey and mustard marinade. So the marinade is actually quite easy. You just need a few oranges, add a half a cup of honey, 3 to 4 spoons of Dijon mustard. It all depends on how much you like mustard. Add some pepper, some salt, give it a good whisk, and there you go. Now that it's done marinating, we're going to start grilling the chicken inside the pizza oven. So the difference between healthy and unhealthy food is you are very limited to the ingredients that you use. For instance, you can't use cream inside a healthy dish.
or sugar or chocolate, but you can still get awesome tasty dishes, not only with the ingredients that you use, but the methods that you cook it with as well. So I'd suggest you use a hard type of wood too. A hard type of wood to keep this thing hot for long. So the wood we are using is called kameeldoring oat wood in South Africa, and it's a relatively very tough wood. It burns for long, and you don't have to worry about it for burning out or anything. It's a relatively tough wood. It will burn for very long. So yeah, you shouldn't have a problem with making anything at a high heat if you do that. So
time to introduce the people who made this cooking experience possible. Alfresco pizza ovens. Wood fire ovens are about more than just perfect pizza. Almost any recipe can be adapted. Discover a multitude of dishes that you can create with this gourmet appliance while spending quality time with friends and loved ones. Cooking with an open fire brings out the unique flavors in every dish, from delectable appetizers, roasts, bread, vegetables, hearty stews, to even mouth-watering puddings. Wood-burning pizza ovens have a long legacy in the world of cooking, so gather your family and friends around your oven to cook a range of gourmet meals.
I'ma dream I die by